The Bajau people spend up to 5 hours underwater every day in search of fish, and they can dive to depths of over 200 feet without the need for diving equipment. They have developed a rare genetic mutation that allows them to stay underwater longer. Their amazing free diving abilities are linked to a gene variant that leads to unusually large spleens, which can supply an extra boost of oxygenated red blood cells on demand. The Bajau have lived for over 1,000 years on houseboats in the waters around Malaysia, the Philippines, and Indonesia, and their divers spend more than 60% of their 8-hour workdays underwater in search of fish and other seafood. Scientists measured the organs of the Bajau people and those from a nearby community. They found that the Bajau's spleens were 50% larger than those of their neighbors, and the Bajau also had 25 genes that differed from their neighbors. One gene, called PDE10A, has been shown to regulate spleen size. The spleen plays an important role during acute oxygen shortage. When we hold our breath for an extended period of time, our bodies trigger a series of physiological changes. Our heart rate slows down, and the blood vessels in our extremities constrict. As a result, the spleen contracts and releases oxygenated red blood cells, providing an extra supply of oxygen to the bloodstream. Bigger spleens can store greater amounts of freshly oxygenated blood, which is what allows the Bajau people to stay underwater longer. By finding out what makes the Bajau people so adept at dealing with no air, we could find a way to help people with temporary oxygen deficits, including those who suffer from sleep apnea or brain injuries.